So, thinking about how the holiday season is here, and we're all thankful for something, and I think about going back in the time and of the Pilgrims and how they came on the Mayflower ships, and I'm thinking about what about the college students that came with them? Were they on scholarships? Hey everyone, it's Martin Ross, and today we're breaking it down with Usher's You Don't Have to Call. Before we get into it, please check out the links in the description. I am an artist, I make music, I have my music in there. Also, if you like these sample libraries, these sounds, I have that all available. Links in the description, Zoris, check that out. Also, most important, help my channel grow by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe and click the bell, but most important, share. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, y'all. Thank you so much for the feedback and telling me what you like, what you don't like. It's amazing, and I really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's break it down. All right, y'all. We're breaking down Usher's You Don't Have to Call. We're doing this at 100 BPM. I'm also playing this in C sharp, D flat major. I'll be calling the flat chords. It's a little bit easier for me. Also, I will be giving away a sample. I won't tell you yet, but if you keep watching the video, I'll tell you what the sample I'm going to give away for you guys for free. So check those links in the description. To start this off, I'm going to start with the keys. The keys are going to be pretty much the structure of the song. So with that being said, the chords that I have going are a B flat minor 7, A flat add 9, then I have a G major add 9. Then I'm going to finish it off with a F minor 7. So let's hear what that sounds like. Now, moving on to the guitar is pretty simple. We're going to be following the notes C, B flat, F, and then we're going to go to a D flat. And then those are the main notes of the song here. And it's going to kind of be like 8th notes and 16th notes. So let's hear what that sounds like. So for the electronic piano, the Rhodes, they're going to be on an upbeat. They're not going to follow the, they're going to like kind of, the best way to say it is they're going to fill the spaces that the piano doesn't play. And it's essentially regurgitating those chords, okay? So I'll play that for you. Keep in mind, it's going to follow the piano, so I'll show you what it sounds like together. Now the Rhodes has a second part. The second part is it's part of the bridge. Now in the bridge, it's 3 chords. It's a flat major 7. It's a F minor 7 to a B flat minor 7. So let's hear what that sounds like. Now I also, keep in mind, I also used arpeggios of those same notes to kind of fill the gaps to make it more like the song. So here, let's hear what it sounds like. Now we have nylon guitars. Now the nylon guitars does the exact same thing as the piano and the electric piano. It's going to fill the strengthen the chords. It's going to kind of give it that own feel. But what I did was I did a glissando, so it kind of like rolls the chords. So let's see what that sounds like. Now I said glissando, but essentially it's strumming. Now I have some strings in here. The strings have 2 parts. We have the hook part and the verse part. The hook part is going to kind of like do a little intro there along with the guitar. It's going to go with a C, D flat, B flat, and an A flat. And then it's going to follow the piano with the F minor 7s. Let's see what that sounds like. I really like that like legato, staccato almost feel. It's pretty awesome. For the verse part of the strings, it's the same notes. We're just going to go with the legato. We're just going to drag out the entire verse. Here we go. All right, before we get into the specifics here, and before I talk to you about that free sample, before I talk to you about the drums, you know what time it is. Please check out my sound library, Zor's Vibes. If you like those, links are in the description. Also, please, if you've gotten this far, hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed by now, take some time, subscribe and click that bell. And if you like the song or you want someone else to take a look at it, help me grow my channel, share the video. So let's talk about those drums and that free sample. All right, so with my Zor's Vibes kit, obviously I have a bunch of mix-up stuff here, but essentially it's just hi-hat, kick, snare, and rim. Neptunes love using that rim, snare, and clap all together to kind of give it a thicker layering. So remember, sometimes when we do our drum kits, we like to layer the snare and sometimes the kick with low and high kick together, so that way you kind of get some nice sonic vibes going there. So essentially this is a really basic kit. See what it sounds like. So here we are. That sample is that Neptune signature sound for this song. It's essentially just a synth pitch drift, starting off the half tone. So if I'm on C sharp, I'm starting on C and then I'm just pitching it down. So let's hear what that sounds like. So we're here now. We've dissected the beat. We looked at all the instruments. You've checked out the sample, link in the description. You subscribed and click the bell, and possibly sharing after this. Please share. If we've gotten to the end, let's hear what it sounds like. Now the beat is on a pickup, so it won't start on the one. So see what it sounds like. All right, we're gonna go to the bridge. Come on. And then we're gonna end off with the hook there. Yeah. Come on. I know you like that. All right, so we broke down You Don't Have to Call by Usher, produced by Pharrell Williams, the Neptunes. Also, please, if you like any of these samples, links are in the description. I am an artist, so I do make music myself, and I want you to check out my music as well. Links in the description again. Also, most important, folks, please help me out. Help my channel grow by hitting a like, leave a comment, let that algorithm catch up so some people can view my videos, my related videos. Also, subscribe, click the bell so that way you get updates straight to your device on my next upload. Also, if you know somebody that likes music the way you do, I do, share the video. Help my channel grow. Share it. All right, this is Martin Ross breaking it down with You Don't Have to Call by Usher. Y'all take care.